Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call support. As you can see here, we have the call records, contacts, we have also the dial pad. So we'll check this one. Let's see if it will work with our Android smartphone. So if you are interested to see the Bluetooth phone call of the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro, watch this video. And again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below. Like, share, and of course, subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth phone call of our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro smartwatch. We are already paired with the My Health application. As you can see here, we are connected. The Bluetooth phone call has been set already. We don't have contacts yet, so we'll add our phone number here. So we have the contacts here. We're going to go to the call section. We have contacts. Okay, not yet. So let's add our contacts here. Open contacts. Then let's add these numbers. Okay, we'll add one. Okay, then import watch. Syncing. Okay, let's go back. Let's see here. We have the call and contacts, and we have it here. Okay, so we have a duplicate number. Anyway, let's just leave it as it is. Then we also have here support for SMS quick replies. So we have at least 3 here. You cannot add your own, but I think you can modify this one. Let's see. Modified testing. Okay, quick reply. Let's check if it will work. Quick reply, then save. Okay, so everything is set. So let's start. Let's go first. Let's try to call our smartwatch. Let's start. Alright, so we have here our other Android smartphone. So let's call the number. So that is Cindy. So let's try to call and let's see if we can receive a call here. Okay, it's now calling. Let's check. And as you can see here, we have a call from Cindy. Okay, so we will not answer the call, but we do have a quick reply here. So we'll have a quick reply. Okay, so let's see for the quick reply. We have here our modified quick reply. Let's answer. And let's see. Do we have an answer here? Let's see if we do have a text notification. Let's check. And we have here our quick reply, as you can see here. Okay, quick reply, modified testing. So it works for our call here with a quick reply. Next, let's see our call history. So we have here our call records, as you can see. So Sam called, so let's call back. It's now dialing, as you can see here. and we'll receive a call here, and we have it here. Okay, so there's a volume adjustment. You can mute or you can end the call. Okay, so it works. Next, we have the contacts. So let's try to call Sam again, and let's see, it's now dialing, and we have it here. So Sam is calling. We have the name of the caller and of course the phone number, and call. Okay, it works. Next, we have the dial pad. Let's see if it will work. So let's dial the number 0907 again 0760649770. Call the number. It's now dialing, and as you can see here, it is working. It's calling the number Cindy. Okay, and call. Okay, so it works here. Oops, I think we have to call Sam, not Cindy. Let's try it again. Okay, we called out our own number, not the number of Cindy. 096961583999. But anyway, still it works. The dial pad works for our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro, and as you can see here, the same results. It is now calling the number, and call. So it works for our Infinix XWatch H4. Next, let's try to answer the call. So we will call the number and we'll answer here on the smartwatch. Let's call Cindy. And as you can see here, someone is calling. So let's try to answer the call. Hello? Hello? This is a Bluetooth phone call. Bye. And what's this? And call. Okay, so it works. Again, so the call records here works. The contacts works as well as the dial pad. Okay, and seems like the mic is okay, the speaker is okay. And so far, everything is smooth for our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro when it comes to the Bluetooth phone call. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.